Today, I'd like to introduce a 21 volts brushless high-performance telescopic lawn mower. It comes with a telescopic function and a protective shield function. The mower head is adjustable, allowing it to adapt to various environments. It is equipped with a handle for easier operation during mowing, as well as a shoulder strap to make the work more comfortable. This is the battery level indicator. Now, let me demonstrate its actual operation for everyone. If you like it, you can contact us.